Ready for home. Ready for home.
Hello, I'm Zack from Liberty Way Realty in Lake Orion, Michigan. I'm a local area real estate expert, and I'm here today to talk to you about some of the financing of getting a mortgage to buy your new home. Today I specifically want to talk about MSHDA down payment assistance. So MSHDA is specifically for the state of Michigan through the housing department, and its purpose is to aid the buyer in being able to afford the closing costs of their new home. So a MSHDA down payment assistance loan is lumped into essentially a second mortgage that's added to the purchase of your house. It requires a 640 credit score or higher from every person 18 or over living in the household. So this can complicate things a little bit, because what it requires is that, let's say you are married and you have one child over 18. Well, it means that one child over 18, well, they need to have a credit score over 640, and their name is going to be on that house. So every person over 18 needs to have a credit score over 640 and needs to be on the purchase itself. But here's the thing with the MSHDA down payment assistance is it only requires 1% down. So it helps to cover your closing costs and your down payment, and requires a minimum of 1%. It can be more than that, but you have to pay at least 1% of your down payment. So it's a loan of either $7,500 or $10,000 towards your closing costs. It does have a maximum purchase price of $224,500. You can't buy a house more expensive than that with MSHDA down payment assistance. Like I said, everyone 18 or over must be on the mortgage. And there are also some other requirements. This is meant specifically for those who financially are not as sound and maybe not as able to buy a house. It opens up the market to those who are maybe of lower income. And so what that means is that the buyer is allowed to have a maximum of $20,000 in their bank accounts. If they have more than $20,000 in their bank accounts, they do not qualify for a MSHDA down payment assistance. There is income limits. Oakland County currently's income limit is a household income of $80,000. So combined total household, everybody working in the house can't be making more than $80,000 a year to qualify for a MSHDA down payment assistance. It is generally targeted for first-time home buyers only, except there are some targeted areas as assigned by MSHDA that you don't need to be a first-time home buyer to qualify for. A MSHDA down payment assistance does not allow for there to be any co-signers on the mortgage, and it must be through an approved lender. Not every lender can do MSHDA. So you need to go to MSHDA's website and find out what lenders, or if your lender is approved to do MSHDA. I have some approved MSHDA lenders that I work with. I'm very happy with that I'd love to refer you to. Just feel free to reach out to me. Again, phone numbers at the beginning and end of the slide and in the description. Also, MSHDA has a website, michigan.gov/MSHDA. That link will be in the description section as well. Feel free to check that out. That's the basics of a MSHDA down payment assistance. Have a great day. Good luck in your new home buying.